the Tendlin case, and I've always been a big fan of this case for previous iPhones for several different reasons. I love the grip on the side of this case. You can see it's got like this padded type grip right here, as well as I really like carbon fiber, so it's got this kind of imitation carbon fiber just on the back. Let's go ahead and just throw my iPhone 12. I've got the blue iPhone 12. We're gonna go ahead and put that just right inside of the actual case itself, and you can see the color that shows right through on the back. And it does have this imitation type wood that's on here. It actually, I don't know if it's real wood or not. It does feel pretty good. It might actually be real wood, but it's a very, very nice feeling. And like I said, the grip on the side, you can see they've got this, it's kind of like padded little pieces that stick out right here, which make for excellent grip. All the buttons are very easy to press. As you can see right here, there's your side lock on and off button, and then your volume up and down buttons, also very, very easy to press. And then we do have options at your switch right here. We can access that perfectly fine. And it does leave a slight bit of lip just right on the actual front face right there. But one thing I would recommend is you should always pair your case with a screen protector. I've got a glass screen protector just right on my phone itself. I'll link my favorite glass screen protector in the description box below as well. But Tendlin case, one of my favorite new cases. At the time of making this video, this case actually retails for below $15. So make sure you check the link below and you can check out what the current pricing is for this case.